Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 10T and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open the Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot, we need to press the power button and volume down button together. You will see this window right here. That means that you took the screenshot and you had few options. You had options like scroll and send. The scroll option is basically you can take scroll screenshot. If you have something that fits more than on the screen, for example, like here in Google, there's more on the page than it fits on the screen, we can take the scroll screenshot. So let's press the buttons to take a screenshot. Now we can tap on scroll. It's gonna start scrolling down. You can tap on done to stop it, or just tap on the screen to stop it, then tap done. As you can see, it took the screenshot of the whole page. Then you can tap save, like this. You can also take a screenshot another way. To do it, simply open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen, like this. And here we have screenshot icon. Simply tap on it to take a screenshot. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.